What is Storybird? Storybird is a fun and artistic website that will enable you to write and publish a story choosing wonderful graphics designed by different artists. Readers and writers of all ages can collaborate to create and publish stories, which then can be shared with anyone. Storybird now has a collection of more than 5 million stories. Storybird can be used both on PCs and Macs. So let's get started with your first Storybird. In your internet browser screen, type in storybird.com. That's spelled STORYBIRD.com. Create a new account with your email address by clicking on Sign Up for Free. You may select from 3 different type accounts: regular, teacher, class, and kid under 13. Educators may sign up for a teacher class account by using an email address. Children under 13 years of age are required to use their parents' email address to create the account. Just click on Kid Under 13 and proceed. We are going to use a regular account for first-time users. Type in your email address, then choose and type in a username and password. If you already have created your account, you sign in by entering your username and password on storybird.com. After signing in, you will see your personal home page. There are 3 options with which to start. They are You, Create, and Explore. By clicking on You, you may alter the account settings such as username and password. You also can review the FAQs, frequently asked questions, and learn more about the Storybird. By clicking on Explore at the upper left-hand corner, you can review the stories published by other authors. If you want to read a story with a specific theme, you can select from a variety of themes listed under categories. You also can choose stories for different age levels by selecting the appropriate age level under Age. So to read the story, simply click on the story's name. Under Summary and Details, you can view the author's name, story plot, and details such as the number of viewers, page count, and age level of the story. By clicking on the navigation arrow, you may turn the pages, so to speak, to read the story. After reading the story, you may post your thoughts about the story in the comment box provided, then click on Post. So, how do you create your own story? Start by clicking on the Create button at the top left-hand corner. It takes you to a list of illustrations from which to choose your own graphic to insert in your story. If you are looking for graphics with a specific theme, you may search under Some Artwork tags. You also can type keywords in the Search Artwork tags box to narrow your search. I'm choosing a party theme, so I will type the word party in the search box. It will take me to a page where I can select from a wide variety of illustrations. To select a picture for your first story, simply click on it to select it, then click on Use this art in the upper right-hand corner, then click on For a Story. Storybird then takes you to the first page of your story where you will see 2 options. If you want to change the first page illustration, simply select another picture and move it onto the Drag Your Artwork Here circle. To add text, drag the picture to the side and start typing in the white box. You can add any number of pages by clicking on the plus sign at the bottom right-hand corner. Similarly, you can delete pages by clicking on minus sign at the bottom left-hand corner. Now click on plus sign to add a page. Again, a picture can be added by dragging it onto the page. A text box appears when you move the picture to the side. Now select the cover button at the left-hand bottom corner and choose a style for your book cover. Now add a title to your story in the text box. Once you have created your story with the cover page, you can save it by clicking on Save at the bottom left-hand corner. Now you can share your story with others by clicking on Menu in the lower left-hand corner. Then click on Publish. Before publishing on the web, you can change the cover story or title of your story. You also can add a summary to your story and can select a category for your story, such as education, poetry, dream, etc. Make sure you select the appropriate age range, then select Public if you want to give others the option to read your story. Then select Publish. You now have finished and published a Storybird. Who uses Storybird? Storybird is extensively used in schools to create lessons for students. It helps students understand different parts of a story and helps promote higher order thinking skills. Have fun with Storybird!